thought I'd decide to do a video with Emma. Carter and Sophia is sleeping. We're gonna do the toddler does my makeup. You excited? Yeah. Okay, so I have the makeup laid out here.
Over your face?
Mm-hmm.
On your face? Like that? You gotta be beautiful with
Okay.
your cheeks. Your chin.
Good.
I know how to do it. I know how to.
Okay, Mama too.
I know how to do it. I know how to.
It's okay.
Like that.
Wow.
How many babies are like me? How many babies are like me?
Okay. Emma is done with my makeup. How do I look? Emma. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because I know how to do your makeup.
Anyways, thank you for watching this video and I catch you guys next time.